Okay, in this quick tips, I'm going to show you how to efficiently move over from session view into arrangement view. The trick here is to have everything well organized with your scenes named and ready to go, all your clips color coded, named, and then all we're going to do is set our quantization to 4 bars, and then I'm going to start recording. Now, I like to turn off start playback with record, but you can leave that on if you want, but I recommend turning that off. And then now all I have to do is go ahead, launch the first scene, and then I can immediately launch the next one. And then as soon as this starts playing, I'm just going to launch the next one. And then this way I don't have to count through and make sure I'm launching everything in nice even bar increments. Okay, and then I'm going to go over into the arrangement view, hit the back to arrangement button, and now I have everything in nice even 4 bar chunks. And to extend my song out, I can just use the time edits. So I'm going to duplicate time, Shift Command D, Shift Command D, Shift Command D, and then maybe I want to insert some silence. And so I will go ahead and give myself 4 bars here. And then maybe I'll extend this out a little bit. So I can really quickly start building out my song this way. It's easy to select any clip and it will make sure that you're in a 4 bar increment. And now I can start building out my whole arrangement very quickly without any weird lengths and any weird times of my loops. So there you go. If you enjoyed the content of this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing, sharing, or commenting.